In this problem, we're given a point, right, 2132, and we're given the slope of a line, which is 1.5 or 1.5, right? And then it says find the equation of the line. So for A, we remember that a line can be written in slope-intercept form, and the m represents the slope, and the b represents the y-intercept. So let's see what they gave us. They gave us an x value, they gave us a y value, and they gave us the m, the slope. So what we're going to do, we're going to substitute those three values in. So y is 32, m is 1.5, and b is, and x is 21. And then b is our unknown, so we're going to solve for b. So let's solve this equation. So I have 32 equals 1.5 times 21. If you cannot do that in your head, that's fine. Just come off to the side and multiply 21 times 1.5. Right, so we have 5 times 1, 5 times 2 is 10, right? And then 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2, and we get 315, and we remember that we moved one decimal, so it's 31.5, 31.5 plus b. Now we subtract 31.5 from both sides. Again, we're solving for b. And we get 0.5 equals b. So now we know b equals 0.5. So we have b. They were given the slope up here. So now we can write the equation. Y equals m, which is 1.5, x plus b, which is 0.5. And we have the equation of the line. And for question B, it says, give me some coordinates of other points on the line. Well, you could have infinite number of answers for this, but let's pick an easy one. Let's pick when x is 0, right? So I'll substitute it into my equation, which we derived in part A, and I get y equals 1.5 times 0 plus 5, y equals 0 plus 0.5, sorry. Y equals 0 plus 0.5, so y is 0.5. So another point would be 0.5. There's an answer. I could have substituted a 1 in for x, a 2 in for x. I could substitute any value in, but it asked for 1, so I'm going to pick the easiest, which is 0.